there. Now I want to talk about the two things that has prevented many struggling internet marketers from achieving their financial dreams on the internet. There are many people, including myself, for months I struggled. For months I spent money. For months I expended energy, all in search of the internet goal. But I never got it because I never found a solution that addresses the two problems that needed to be simultaneously taken care of for me to survive on the internet. Same thing with you. Many people are burnt out, many people have lost out because they did not get the right solution to help them make money online. Now, out there, if you were to check most of the solutions out there that promise to help you make money online, they are broadly divided into two groups of solutions. All right. One of those set of solutions will actually give you done-for-you products, what I call ready-made products that you can deploy. You just put traffic in there and you start making money on the short-term basis. Some of these products work, some don't work. But the problem with them is that these solutions that give you immediate access to make money online, they don't teach you how to build your own long-term sustained internet business. So what happens is that even when those products work, you are now bound to the guru or the person who is selling you these products, which means you have to be dependent on them to continue to see little money online. And when they move to other things, you get stranded because you have not become grounded as an internet marketer in your own right. Those are the first set of solutions out there. A second set of solutions that is out there are those solutions where they actually teach you how to build the building blocks to create an internet marketing business that will survive over the long term. In other words, these solutions out there, again, some of them work, some do not work, but that is beside the point. Most of these solutions only attempt to teach you how to build an internet business. And like anybody who has ever been online and made any really real money out there will tell you, you cannot build a sustainable internet business income in a matter of 1 day or 1 week. This is something that will take you months, 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, maybe a year. Some people maybe 2 years before you get the pillars you need together and you understand the system enough to be able to make consistent income. So what happens with these solutions is that people who take them get burnt out, they get frustrated because they don't have any means of making quick money to keep financing their internet marketing education, so to speak. It's like somebody going to the university and there's no income coming to your pocket. If you don't have anybody sustaining you, it's just a matter of time before you drop out of college. That is what the second solution is. In other words, the first solution gives you fish to eat right now without teaching you how to fish for yourself in the long term. While the second solution teaches you how to fish for yourself in the long term, but does not give you any fish to eat while learning how to fish. Either way, you end up getting frustrated, burnt out, and you become part of the failure statistics of 97% of people who try to make money online and why they fail. And the solution that I've come up with is a solution that addresses both of those problems simultaneously. In other words, we are talking about a solution that deals with your immediate need to start generating income online while also dealing with your need to learn how to become a proper, successful, recurrent income internet marketer over the long term. And I call that solution the Quadratic formula for making money online. Because the Quadratic formula gives you 4 different things that you will need to solve your immediate money need, while at the same time teaching you to become a guru yourself over the next 3 to 6 months by building your own internet marketing empire.
My name is Edward Tari, and for well over 2 years now, I have worked very hard here online trying to make money, and that is without any success.
My name is Oliver Norton, and I really want to thank Dr. Ope and share my personal experience with the Netpreneur Franchise System.
My name is Stephen Akintayo. I'm Africa's premier digital marketing consultant, internet business coach. I'm a serial entrepreneur.
My name is Greg Moore, and I'm happy to talk about my experience with Dr. Oak's Netpreneur Franchise Program, which has really helped me to finally get my game going online.
My name is Toba Awe. I'm based in Port Harcourt, Nigeria. I'm a member of Dr. Pepper and Wall's coaching program.
Hello, my name is Desmond Ohms from Rhode Island, and I'm happy to give a quick shout out and appreciation to Dr. Orpe and the Netpreneur Franchise System team.
Hey guys, my name is Tim Randall. I'm pretty excited to tell you about the Netpreneur Franchise System from Dr. O.
Hey yo, what up everybody? It's Andrew Stovall. And I gotta shoot this video for my coach and my mentor, man. Shout out to Dr. Opie. Man, you did it, man. the Netpreneur Franchise System, the best thing that ever happened to me, bro. Like,
I have made my first $140 within 72 hours after joining this program called NFS.
The NFS program was a game changer. I made about $1,750 in my very first month using the Netpreneur Franchise program, despite having never made more than $200 in any month in my last 1.5 years online.
And his mentorship has really helped me a lot in terms of from network to advice to counsel to strategies and business advice that has helped grow our business into hundreds of millions.
After seeing how I've made over $6,360 in 43 days.
It's helped me make some quick money, literally within hours.
I must admit I was pleasantly surprised that the system came with several done-for-you packages, so I was able to deploy to start making money immediately. I also got some great squeeze pages that allowed me to start building my list right away.
I ain't never think I could make money online, especially in my first 24 hours. But in my first 72 hours, I made over $550, man, just following the plug-and-play steps that you gave me. Them 3 complete systems, oh my goodness, man, they unbelievable. But I'll be honest, wasn't nothing better than a 30-minute Skype call. Like a lot of like mentors and coaches say they help you, but you called me for that 30 minutes, man. We really bonded. We really connected. You helped me connect the X's and O's, man.
In Dr. Kwebanwo's training program, we find the right associates, as in the right people, the right persons that we need to succeed in our niche. Experts that are abroad. You can network with them because those training materials are going to give you links and people that you can network in your particular niche.
I have made somewhere between $1,280 while still going through the comprehensive training and the mentorship. I've created my own long-term business here online.
They didn't just focus on their franchisees making money quickly. They also had tons of easy-to-follow trainings on how to become a well-rounded internet marketer long-term.
This Netpreneur Franchise System is the real deal.
Honestly, I have never seen anything like this before for such a great value.
It also comes with professionally packaged products, complete with all of the funnels and also the marketing materials that you guys will necessarily need to push your business forward.
I only got my NFS franchise license just 5 weeks ago, and I've already made over $6,000. Again, $6,360 to be exact. In fact, I made my first $850 the very next day, and after I used the concierge setup option to get everything set up for me.
Also, containing a comprehensive training program to teach me how to become a long-term profitable internet marketer in my own right.
The system not only helped me make about $2,700 within my first week of getting the franchise, but it also provided me with the tools and the resources to become a legitimate business person online.
Dr. Orpe, you were very clear step by step with your instructions on the done-for-you packages. It made it very easy for me to start making money immediately. I made well over $3,200 in my first 35 days as an NSF associate.
I'm a better internet marketer, network marketer because of you, man. Like I'm a real professional. I can tell my friends like I'm making thousands online, man. It's all because of you, Dr. Opie, and the training that you gave me, man. Man, I appreciate that so much, man.
This is by far the most profitable decision I've ever made online.
If you need a mentor that can push you to get tangible results, you need a mentor that can get you to that realms of hundreds of millions in transaction. He's the man to talk to.
And Dr. Ope is the real deal. He's even throwing our free one-to-one live coaching strategy to help me to get my game together and clarify exactly what I want to do in the long term and how I can go about doing that.
That breakthrough is very huge for me since I've never really made any money online before.
This is clearly the best system I've ever tried, and I strongly recommend it to anyone who's ready to break the jinx of frustration online.
So as an online entrepreneur starter, I'm happy that I have Dr. Kwebanwo as a coach, and I recommend him for anyone who's going into online business to have him as a coach. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Ope, for this fantastic program.
Thank you, Dr. Ope, for making such a big difference in my life.
So thank you Dr. Orpe for putting so much energy, effort, and substance into this program.
And he's going to hold you by the hand till you succeed.
Dr. Obi, Netpreneur Franchise System. It's A1, bro. You got to check it out, man. Peace.
To find out what this quadratic formula for making money online is all about, click on the button below and find out